Hey guys, what's up? My name is Aniket and welcome back to another video. So in this video, we are going to talk about what are backlinks and how backlinks are important for your ranking and SEO. So without wasting any further time, let's begin. When two websites link together, a backlink is formed. Basically, backlink means is that when you link to another website or when another website links to you, it is known as a backlink. Backlinks are really important for your ranking and SEO because if you want to appear on the first page of search engine results, then you need to have good quality backlinks and higher number of backlinks. The search engine algorithm considers only those websites who have a higher number of backlinks and good quality backlinks. It only puts those websites on their search results on the first page of their search results. Now, what are backlinks is, as I told you, these are when two websites link together, it's known as a backlink. But to understand it more simply, now let's go to the computer screen and I will tell you what exactly is a backlink. So now we are on the computer screen and now I'll show you what are backlinks. So let's say you have a website. So this is your website and this is another website. Okay, so let's say you have a website and you write about cricket. You could take any topic. So let's say I write about cricket and my website URL is cricket.com. So now I have a blog and I write articles only about cricket. So now after writing some articles, now let's say I wanted to create a backlink. So now I would go to Google or you can take any search engine and I would type, let's say this is going to Google and I would type best cricket blogs. Okay, and I hit enter. Now I would get a lot of websites. So I have found out some websites and I found out that CricBuzz, I'm sure you also have heard about this at some point of time. So CricBuzz is a really famous blog and they only write about cricket. So if you want to get latest cricket news, and also now IPL is also going on. So if you want to get latest updates about cricket, you can check out CricBuzz. So now suppose I like CricBuzz. So now if I write another article on cricket, it could be like I could write about the IPL that is going on right now. So suppose I write an article about IPL. Now CricBuzz also has written the very same article about IPL. So now I could give a reference of CricBuzz in my article. It could be a link or link to their article or their website. It could be anything. So let's suppose I give a link of CricBuzz in my article, and after I publish my article, now what happens is a backlink is formed for CricBuzz. So here a backlink is formed. As I said, backlinks is basically linking of one website to another. So here a backlink is formed for CricBuzz, not for me. Suppose I linked someone's website in my article, so a backlink is formed for them. If they link my website article, my website link in their article, so a backlink is formed for me. It's that simple. So now a backlink is formed for CricBuzz. Suppose CricBuzz writes an article, okay, and they give the link of my blog in their article. Let's say they reference cricket.com in my article. Now they have they give a reference of my website in their article. Now a backlink is formed for me. So now if you as you can see, this is basically backlink. So whenever you link to another website or when another website links to your website, this is basically known as backlink. It's not really complicated. So this is basically backlink. So now I hope you have understood what are backlinks and you also know how you can create backlinks very easily. But now you should keep some points in mind while creating backlinks. So first is you should only build high quality backlinks. So now, what are high quality backlinks? Let's say this is website 1, which is your website. This is website 2. This is another website, and this is website 3. Now, you wanted to create a backlink. So you want to link another website in your article. Let's say you write an article and you link website 2 in your article. So now a backlink is created for website 2, but the website 2, the website is a spam website. It has a lot of pop-up ads on the website. I'm sure you also have had the similar experience when you visit another website and on that website there are a lot of ads. Okay, just spam the website with pop-up ads. So just scroll down, an ad pops up here, and whenever you click it, you are redirected to 2-3 different pages, and it gets really irritating. So website 2 is a spam website. Okay, so you create a backlink with website 2. Now, the search engine algorithm doesn't promote spam websites. So if the search engine algorithm finds out that you have backlink with a spam website, and if this number increases, then what would happen is they would derank your website. Even if you have a higher number of backlinks, but most of them are backlinks from spam websites, then they would derank your website and you would have very difficult to rank again. So never ever try to create a backlink with a spam website. Now spam website is gone. Okay, now let's say you create a backlink, okay, with website 3. Okay, so the website 3 is a very genuine website. It doesn't promote too many, it doesn't have too many pop-up ads on the website. Okay, and it doesn't redirect to different pages, and it writes generic content, and it also get decent amount of traffic. So this is a good blog according to the search engine algorithms. So whenever you link to these websites, so the and you have a higher number of backlinks that links to these websites, so what happens is the search engine algorithm find out that yes, this site, okay, this site has a higher number of backlinks, and also the backlinks are high quality. So now it promotes your website on the first page of the result pages. So in this way, it would help you to rank on the first page of Google or the first page of search engine very easily. So always keep in mind that even if you have higher number of backlinks, try to create only high quality backlinks. Don't go for the spam websites. And if you have spam websites, if you already are linking to spam websites, remove them as quickly as possible, because if the algorithm finds out that you are doing this, it would derank your blog and you would face very difficulty in ranking again. So that was all I wanted to say in this video. I hope you have understood what are backlinks. You can also check how many backlinks you have, or your competitor how many backlinks they have. You can use some keyword tools. All of them are paid. I have linked down below some keyword tools. They are paid. You can purchase a plan and you can see what backlinks do they have, or you can try a free tool, Ubersuggest. I have also the link down below, and there you can check out the other websites, how many backlinks they have and to which pages they are linking. So create high quality backlinks and it would help you to rank higher in search engine. Also, if you enjoyed this video, I tried out a new format to make you understand simply all the topics. So if you enjoyed it, then like this video, and it also really motivates me to create such video. And also subscribe to the channel and share it among those who wants to know what is a backlink. Also, you can follow me on my social media handles. All are linked down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, be safe, be happy, and make everyone happy. Thank you.